What if you could create stunning eye art videos for YouTube without ever appearing on camera? Discover how eye automation is revolutionizing faceless content creation for artists. Faceless YouTube channels are dominating the algorithm. They let you focus purely on creative content, eye-generated visuals, animations, and transitions. No setup costs, no studio needed, no camera shyness. Your art speaks louder than your face ever could. Automation tools now handle editing, voiceovers, and posting, freeing you to create. AI generators like Midjourney and Dolly create your visuals. Runway handles motion and effects. 11 Labs generates natural AI voices. Descript automates editing. Batch uploading services schedule posts. These tools work together seamlessly. Prompt, generate, edit. Upload all in hours, not days. Start with a concept and strong prompts. Generate multiple AI art variations. Select your best pieces, add smooth transitions and music, layer an AI voice over narrating your creative process, batch create 20 videos at once, schedule them weekly, let automation handle consistency while you focus on pushing creative boundaries. Faceless channels monetize faster, no brand conflicts, pure art focus, YouTube partner program, affiliate links for iTools, sponsored prompts, and digital preset sales work perfectly here. Your audience invests in your art, not your personality. Scale exponentially with minimal burnout, ready to automate your art. Subscribe for more eye creative workflows. Like this video and comment your dream eye art channel topic below.